My name is Leo Moreno, and what we get out of this experience is that opportunity to realize that you're able and capable to do anything that you put your mind into it, and that the ice is just a representation of those challenges in your life. You know, life can be challenging sometimes, but it's up to us how we react into those challenges. So the ice is just a beautiful opportunity for you to realize and for everybody to realize everything that you're capable of.
About 20 children from the local communities, and they came here to play different sports. And then we shifted your role. You went from students listening to us, you then became leaders leading those kids.
Is to actually become a pilot for the military. I want to be in the Air Force. And lastly, fitness, because fitness has been a very big aspect of my life.
My favorite mindset is the time is now. It teaches you to be more present in the moment, to not live on social media, to actually put the phone down, experience what's going on. The present is called the present because it's a gift. You can only live in the present, so there's no point in living in the past, and there's no point about worrying in the future, only about what's going on right now.
Ahora que ya descubrí mi pasión, quiero empezar a vender arte, a hacer cosas que me gustan en realidad. Cuando estás haciendo algo que no te gusta, de verdad es duro pararte en la cama y solo seguir haciéndolo. De todas maneras, no tienes algo que te motive. Mi gol más grande sería poder levantarme cada día y decir, yo estoy feliz con lo que estoy haciendo.
Wow. Gracias a cada uno de los padres por haber confiado. Con los ojos cerrados, porque en realidad sabíamos cuál era la logística que íbamos a hacer, lo que íbamos a enseñar, pero no sabíamos qué resultado iba a dar. ¡Wow! ¡Qué orgulloso me siento!